When you want to change the look of your GK Colours collection bracelet by changing the number or the order of the slides on your bracelet, here's all you need to do. Pull the cable safety latch away from the clasp. Swing the cable release lever down, which allows the cables to be detached from the clasp. For now, we're going to add a single slide onto our bracelet. First, we slide a stay-put bead onto each cable. Then we add the slide. Now let's add 2 more beads. The stay-put beads keep the slide in place. Make sure the cable release lever is down and the safety latch is open. Feed the 2 cables fully into the holes in the clasp and swing the cable release lever up. Swing the cable safety latch closed. There, it's secure. Now adjust the placement of the slide to the position you want. Snug the beads to either side. There you go. Browse our selection of slide designs available in sterling silver, sterling and 14-karat yellow gold, and 14-karat yellow and white gold at goldmancolber.com.